Introducing the next awardee. This company is a renowned name in component cleaning and industrial washing machines. The company manufactures these machines with advanced filtration and oil removal coalescing systems. Equipped with air blow component rotation and multi-tier filtration system, it offers these innovative products at competitive rates. The category in which they received the award is Best Innovation in Industrial Component Cleaning Machines. And the award goes to Real Technologies Machines Private Limited. A hearty congratulations to Real Technologies Machines Private Limited. Thank you so much, and once again a hearty congratulations.